Hey you guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another hair video for you guys. So today we're going to do one of my favorite heatless styles, which is good if you have heat damaged hair like me. So these are clip-ins from CurlsQueen, and they sent me their water kinky curly clip-ins, and these are in 18 inches in color number 4 brown. They do have different curl patterns, so for this one they sent me the 3B 3C because I don't have many curls, so I'm doing like a braid out method because of the heat damage. So if your hair is anything like mine, it's kind of fine. I would definitely go with this set. So they have two different sets you can get, which is the Everyday, which comes with 5 pieces. I have the Glam, which has 10 pieces. So I have 2 10-inch, 2 9-inch wefts, 2 7-inch wefts, 2 4-inch wefts, and then 2 3-inch wefts. These clip-ins come to a total of $249.90, and I didn't end up using two of the biggest wefts, which I guess is the 10-inch wefts. I didn't use the 2 10 inches, but I used everything else. So essentially you need about 7 clip-ins to make this look exactly as full as mine. So to style the hair, I used the As I Am Double Buttercream and then the Nexus Ultra Light Smooth Frizz Defy Cream. So before I put the clip in, I saturated it with water, ran my fingers through it. Then I parted my hair off, and I did do this with freshly washed, kind of damp hair. It had been in a towel before. Clip the clip-in into your damp hair and then saturate your hair and then apply your cream, whatever product you're gonna use. And then I brush through that and I do it in a really tight braid. And then the silver things you guys are gonna see me roll up the ends are aluminum foil. So I like cut it off into squares and I roll it up. And then I wrap my hair around the aluminum foil to create like the curl at the end of my hair. It's just what works for me and what doesn't fall out. Usually like perm rods, no matter how small, will slip out of my hair because there is so much product, but the aluminum foil seems to work perfectly. And then I would recommend letting it dry overnight. I was filming this video today, so I did use my Dyson blow dryer and kind of dry it for probably about an hour, y'all. So it was pretty dry, but it could have been a lot drier. So yeah, that's how I installed these clip-ins. Like I said, I recommend waiting a night, but overall, I think it turned out perfectly. And if you guys have colored hair like me, just shoot them a message and they can work with you guys for the custom color to match whatever you need. If you guys want to continue watching me style this hair, just keep watching. Thank you so much to CurlsQueen for sending me this hair. I loved it. And if you guys enjoy, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Would have me, but a girl like me Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And maybe they can't believe that you and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. About the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhDs. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of